Welcome back to another question paper discussion. So before starting our question paper regarding division, we have to understand some basic concept about division. So division is just the opposite process of multiplication. In other words, we can say division is a kind of sharing system, or as a definition, we can say division means splitting of large group into small group in such a way that every group will be having equal number of items. Okay, for example, we will have some pictorial representation here. So see here, we have two chocolates here, and we can share these two chocolates among these two children, right? Or we can divide these two chocolates among these two children. So one chocolate is given to this child, and another chocolate is given to this child. And in this case, how many chocolate we are having? We are having 8 chocolate here. So we can divide this 8 chocolate among these two children. So the first child will get how many chocolate? Will get 4 chocolate. And the next child will get how many chocolate? 4 chocolate. So this 8 chocolate is divided equally among these two children. And when we analyze this picture, we can see we have 9 chocolates here, right? How many chocolates are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chocolates are here. So we can divide this 9 chocolate among these 3 children equally. How? First 3 chocolates is given to this child, another 3 chocolate is given to this child, another 3 chocolate is given to this child. So this is the concept of division, sharing equally. Okay, we are sharing equally. This is the concept of division, and we have to learn some basic rules and regulations for doing our division. So first we are going to learn some terminologies. Okay, so here this thing is known as the quotient. Whatever we write inside, it is known as a dividend, and the last answer, it is known as a remainder, and here this one is known as divisor. So in our question paper or in our notebook, we'll be doing like this. If this is 8 divided by 2, so 8 is divided by 2, so we know 4 2's are how much? 8, and 8 minus 8, it is going to be 0. So this 0 is the remainder here, and this 4 is the quotient here, and this 2 is the divisor here, and this 8 is the dividend here. Okay, and you have to learn one relationship. That relationship is what? Dividend is equal to, first you multiply divisor into quotient, then add your remainder. You will be getting what? You will be getting the dividend. For example, we can say in this example 1, which is the dividend here? Dividend here is 8, right? So 8. And what is the divisor here? 2. And what is the quotient here? 4. Put them in bracket. Plus what is the remainder? 0. So 2 into 4, it is 8. 8 plus 0, it is 8. So we got the dividend as what? 8 only, right? So you have to learn this relation also. Then basic rules. Any number divided by 0, we cannot divide any number by 0. Keep that in mind. And 0 divided by 0, the answer will be always 1. And 0 divided by any number, answer will be 0. Then there is a concept of decimal point, which means if you write 5, it actually means what? It actually means 5.0. And if you write 100, it actually means 100.0. If you are writing 87, it actually means 87.0. Always remember this thing, because we need this concept for doing the problems. and there is a rule called board mass. So expansion of board mass is bracket operate division multiplication addition subtraction. So whenever you are doing any problem, you have to follow this method, or you have to follow this pattern. For example, if there comes a question like 8 divided by 2 into 5, maybe plus 3, and maybe minus 1. So if you see like this, don't get panic. What you have to do is 8 divided by 2. What is 8 divided by 2? It is 4. So it is becoming 4 into 5 plus 3 minus 1. What is 4 into 5? It is 20. 20 plus 3 minus 1. What is 20 plus 3? It is 23. Then minus 1. What is 23 minus 1? It is going to be 22. So this is the system of BODMAS rule. Okay. Then moving to our first question. If a divisor is 1, okay, if a divisor is 1, then what will be happening? We will be getting the same answer. We will get same answer. Just like what? If you are telling 8 divided by 1, we are getting 8, right? Or maybe 100 divided by 1, we'll be getting what? We'll be getting 100 only. So the general format is what? A divided by 1, we'll be always getting what? A. So keep this in your mind. Moving to the next number. Double of a number is 546. So there is a number, we don't know what is that number, and double of that number means that number into 2 is how much? It is 546. Okay, fine. Now they're asking what is the half of 546, which means 546 divided by 2 is how much? So do the division thing here. So write 546 here, okay, divided by 2, put a comma here. So 2 into 2, it is how much? 4, because we should not exceed 5. That's the reason we multiplied with 2 into 2. Now subtract 5 minus 4, it is 1, right? And we are bringing this 4 to here, and 2 sevens are how much? It is 14. 14 minus 14, it is 0. Fine. Now I need to write and bring this 6 to here, and we know 2 into 3 is how much? 6, and 6 minus 6, now it is 0. Final remainder we got 0, and this is our quotient, and quotient is our answer. So we can say 546 divided by 2 is 273, or we can say half of 546 is 273. Moving to the next one, divide and verify 306 divided by 7. 306 divided by 7. So we are writing the 306 here and divided by 7. So we are taking 30 here, okay, because we cannot divide 3 by 7, so we are taking 30 by 7. So we know what here, which is the number closest to the 30 multiplied with 7. So 7 fours are 28, right? Right. Then what we can say here? So 28. So 30 minus 28 is going to be 2 here, okay, and 2 is much smaller than 7, so you cannot divide here. So bringing this 6 to here, right? So which is a multiple 7 multiplied with a number that should be 26 or less, just less than 26, which will be that it is going to be 3. 7 threes are 21 here. So 26 minus 21, it is going to be how much? It is going to be 5, right? So this is the remainder here, and 43 is the quotient here, and this is the divisor here. Okay. And next question, Manisha is inviting 67 friends. Okay, so there are 67 friends to a party, and she's having 3350 cookies. So how many cookies will each friend get? So you have to do what? 3350 divided by 67. So 67 into 5 is how much? It is 335. Okay, so we are taking this 335 as a single unit. So write a 5 here. So 335. 335 minus 335, it is 0. But when we are checking here, we having an extra 0 here. So what you have to do is take this extra 0 to the top. So it is becoming 50. So 50 is our quotient here, 0 is our remainder here, and 67 is our divisor here. So answer is what? Each student will get, or each friend will get how much? Each will get 50 cookies, right? Then moving to the next question, what would be the quotient and remainder? Quotient and remainder if the 6-digit small number. Okay, so what, which is a 6-digit smaller number? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-digit smallest number, and divided by 2-digit smallest number, which is a 2-digit smallest number here. It is a 10 here. Okay, this is the concept of question. So when we are doing here, you can do in another way also, like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 10. This one get cancelled. Final answer is this one. Okay. So what will be the quotient? What will be the quotient? You are taking this 10. Okay. You are taking this 10. So listen here once again. Now listen here properly. So you are taking this 10. So 10 into 1, it is 10, right? And this 10 minus 10, what is 10 minus 10? It is 0, but we have few zeros here, right? So we are taking these few zeros to the top. So how many zeros there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? So what we can say, the quotient, which is the quotient here? The quotient here is this one. This is the quotient, and this is the remainder, right? Moving to the next question, what is the dividend? What is the dividend? So they are telling like they are doing a division, so they don't know which is the dividend here. They don't know what is the dividend here, but they know the divisor, that is 24 here, and quotient is 140 here, and the remainder after subtraction they got is 2. So what is this dividend? That is a question. So in the very beginning we learned a property, that is what? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? So when we do here, what is the divisor here? It is 24 into 140, then plus 2. So when we are calculating here, what will be our answer? 24 into 140, right? So it is going to be 3360 plus So final answer is going to be 3360, sorry, 3362. This is our final answer. So in place of here, in this place, they should have got how much? 336. So the dividend should be what? This should be the dividend. And evaluate the following. If 1 dozen banana cost 84, what is the cost of 1 banana? So 1 dozen means it is 12 numbers. So 1 dozen banana means 12 banana. Okay, so 12 banana, 12 banana, 12 banana cost how much? It costs 84. So what is the cost of what? 1 banana. So what you have to do? 84 divided by 12. So try to do yourself that 84 divided by 12. Okay, 84 divided by 12, what is the answer? 7 times. So 84 0. So 1 banana cost how much? 7 rupees. Clear? Moving to the next one, that is a pure division here. So first one, A question, it is 25,768 divided by how much? 31. Okay, so you have to try yourself. 25768 divided by 31. So how much we can take? We can take the final answer is somehow 831. Okay, this is the final answer, please note it. So let us do this step by step. Okay, so this one, so we are taking the first 3 digit. So 31 into 8, 31 into 8, it is how much? It is 248, right? So 248 we got. Now we have to subtract. So 257 minus 248, it is will be 9 here. Okay, 9 here. So now you can take the value of 6 here. Okay, you can take the value of 6 here. So when you use the multiplication of 3, 31 into 3, it is going to be 93 here. Okay, now 96 minus 93, it is going to be 3 here. Now you can take this 8 to here. Okay, now you can take the 8 to here. So only one times you can do that. So 31 here, and 38 minus 31, it is going to be 7 here. So you can say this is the quotient here, this is the remainder here, this is the divisor, this is the dividend. Similarly, we're gonna do the next one, which is 76,880. Okay, similar method we are doing. So try, you have to try yourself. So divided by 45. So the answer here, final answer is somehow 1708. Okay, right? So we are going to division with 45. So we are considering the 76 as first one. So 1 times 45, it is 45. Okay, now 76 minus 45, it is going to be 31. All right, 31. Now we're gonna take one more values here. Okay, so it is going to be 318. Okay, 318, but 45 into 7, it is 315. So 8 minus 5, it is going to be 3 here. Okay, now you're gonna take this 8 to here, so it is 38. Here it is 45, here it is 38. So here the dividend is smaller and divisor is bigger. So what you have to do is, in this case, you have to write a 0 here. You have to write a 0 here, and you have to bring the next value to here. The what is the next value? Which is the 0 to here. Got it? So we can say, what is 45 into 8? 45 into 8 is 360. So 45 into 8, it is 360. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 8 minus 6, it is 2. So here we can say 20 is the remainder and 1708 is the quotient, and this is the divisor, and this is the dividend here. And next one, we get a remainder dash and quotient dash, and they have given the condition, which is 43925 divided with 3 here, right? So you have to do like this: 43925 divided with 3 here, right? So I'm taking, just because this is a smaller number, taking 4 here first. So 1 into 3, it is 3. 4 minus 3, it is 1, right? Now taking the 3 to here, so 13. We know 4 3s are 12 here, and 13 minus 12 is 1. And now taking this 9 to here, right? And we know 6 3s are 18 here. 9 minus 19 minus 18, it is again 1 here. Now you are taking this 2 to here, right? So 12, so it will be like 4. 4 3s are 12, and it is 0. Now you are taking this 5 to here, right? 5 to here. So you can either stop here or you can do the continuation. So here we can say the remainder is how much? 5, and quotient here is how much? It is 1464. Clear? And maybe you can do one more step here. Just a moment. Maybe it is 5 here. So 1 times 1 into 3, it is 3, and 5 minus 3, it is 2. So we can say the remainder right now is 2 here, and this is the quotient here. And 10th one question look like some mistake around the question, so we are not doing the 10th question now, and move to the 11th question. 7346 divided by 0 is not possible. We have already discussed in the very beginning, a number divided by 0, it is what? Not possible. We cannot divide a number with 0. Moving to the next one. This look like what? A divided by A equal to 1. Okay, same numbers divided, we will be getting 1. So here the answer will be 6812. Always remember, we have already discussed this in the very beginning. And next one is what? This look like A divided by A, it is going to be 1, right? This will look like this one. So 904 divided by 904, it is going to be 1 here. And fourth one, divide 965 divided by 100. 965 divided by 100. I will teach you one easier method. Okay, you can do like this, but I'll teach you an easier method, which is write 965. Okay, 965 means it is 965.0 actually. Okay, and divided by 100. So when we are analyzing here, we have two zeros here. Okay, we have two zeros here. So what you are supposed to do is shift this point to here, 1 0. Okay, and again shift here. Okay, so our final answer is going to be 9.65. Okay, right? Suppose if the question was like this: 965 divided by 1000. Again, you do what? Put a decimal point here, 0 here. How many zeros are here? 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 here. So your final answer is going to be how much? It's going to be 0.965. Yeah. Then moving to the next one. Again, 6547 divided by 10. 6547 means it is similar to what? It is similar to 6547.0, and when we are analyzing here there is just 10. So what you have to do is shift 1 point to here. So our final answer is going to be 654.7. This is the final answer. And 16th one, if the divisor is 10, what will be the remainder? That is a question, right? So the question is what? A value divided by 10, right? Value divided by 10. Obviously there will not be any remainder. Okay, no remainder can happen here. Like what? For an example, we can say 100 divided by 10. How many times? 1 times 10. 10 minus 10, 0. Taking the 0 to the top, so 10, right? Maybe 5 divided by 10. Okay, so the dividend is smaller than divisor. So there is a special rule for that. You write a decimal point here, put a 0 here, and 10 into 5, it is going to be 50 here. 50 minus 50, 0. Okay, so we can say what? When if the divisor is 10, the remainder will be always 0. No remainder means, what I meant is it is 0. Okay, remainder is always what? 0. You can try another value, maybe 3 divided by 10. Here the dividend is smaller than divisor, so put a decimal point here. So you can write a 0 here. 10 3s are 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. So remainder is what? 0.